Hi, you can join me. If you want, you can DM me, WhatsApp me on my Telegram, right, about how to join. Basically, I've done this, I'm in this business, direct sales business for about 11 years. So what I do is I'm going to share a little bit of how I started this business, right? So 11 years ago, I started my business because I was retrenched and it was the Lehman Brothers collapse. So, there was not much opportunities for me because I'm in the marketing and PR department. So it was a spending unit department, and I realized that I really needed to find a job because I was retrenched, and then I just got my house, and then it was a very, very lowest point of my life, right? I was in debts, credit card debts, right? And really, really lowest point of my life. And then after that, I started to do this business, direct sales business, selling my cosmetics and skincare. And I realized that recession has no much impact on skincare and makeup, right? Until this pandemic happened. And then now I realized that I sell more skincare than cosmetics. But right now, this year, a lot of people are going back to work, so they need to look good. They need to have a certain image to project at work. So hence why the business is running again. And also, of course, I learned the TikTok strategies to market myself as a brand, right? So, and then after that, within these 2 years, right, I use TikTok, right, to generate organic leads and also increase my revenue through using TikTok videos. So if you're interested to know more about how to do this business, DM me for information. Within these 2 years, right, I managed to generate like a three income stream, right? One is doing coaching, social media coaching, right? So I have two social media coaching. One is about how to be a TikTok coach, right? So you can see on my link in my bio, you can be a TikTok coach, right? And I'll teach you how to be a TikTok coach, right? And then of course there's tuition fees, right? And then there's another one is how to create a brand of your own to selling cosmetics if you want to join me. Of course, there's a mini fee for this, right? Because I invested more than 20K to do this, social media, and it really helped me a lot. So I hope to impart the skills to you. If you're interested to know more about my tuition fees, you can go to my link in my bio on how to be a TikTok coach or how to create a brand of your own and learn TikTok strategies. Okay, so there's two courses going on. So, and then of course I sell online courses on Udemy as well. So if you're interested to know more, DM me for information. And that's how I clear off my credit card debts and um, do good in 2022. All right, I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.